Welcome to another video. Today, I want to dive into something that's been a game changer for my creative workflow. How I generate images using a whole bunch of different AI models, all without juggling a dozen different apps. The secret is a platform called PhotoGenius AI. And let me tell you, it's evolved into an absolute powerhouse, especially with its latest updates. You know how it is. There's an explosion of incredible AI image models out there, right? We've got Flux, the various stable diffusion flavors, Google's VO2 video generation, Image Gen 3 and Kandinsky, and so many more. Each has its strengths, but hopping between them, or worse, trying to master something super complex like comfy UI just to get a decent image, that's a massive time sink. This is precisely where PhotoGenius AI shines for me. It's always been fantastic at consolidating access to different AI models under one roof with a user-friendly interface. But with their recent enhancements, it's become so much more than just an image generator. It's a full-blown creative toolkit that makes accessing all these models incredibly straightforward. So, let's talk about how I actually use this to generate images with multiple models. The core image generation tool is where the magic starts. I can type in my prompt, and then the crucial part, I can select from a drop-down of different powerful models like Flux, various stable diffusion versions, and others. I can also pick a specific artistic style and even decide how many variations I want. It's all right there. No need to switch tabs or platforms. And once an image is generated, if I need to tweak a specific part, I can just click on it, mask the area, and regenerate just that selection. It's a neat little in-painting feature that's super handy for quick edits without starting over. Beyond the core multi-model image generation, they've expanded into other creative areas. We have video generation as well. This allows you to give it a prompt and select the model from all kinds of video generation models like VO2, Kling, and others, and then generate the video. I like the VO2 model best because it's currently the state-of-the-art video generation model, and this is actually amazing. You can just choose anything, enter the prompt, and it will create the video for you, which is kind of cool. You can also hit the Add Audio option, and it will add audio to the video, make it even more realistic, which is kind of cool as well. I really use this feature almost daily as well. There's also now a 3D creation section. Imagine typing a prompt and getting a 3D model, or even turning one of your 2D AI images into a 3D asset. I've seen some impressive examples in their public gallery. For someone like me who occasionally needs a 3D element, but doesn't want to dive deep into complex 3D software, this is a fantastic addition, all within the same platform. The 3D generation is surprisingly direct. You input your concept, click Generate, and it handles the heavy lifting. No need to get bogged down in Blender or other specialized 3D software if you just need something quick. This is a lifesaver for those of us who need occasional 3D assets without the steep learning curve. You also have the Image to 3D option, which allows you to convert images to 3D, and you can just upload any of your images, and it will get the images converted to 3D, which you can then view. You also get the public gallery, which you can view here, and check out the community generations as well, which is also kind of cool. So, you can try this as well. For fellow content creators, the YouTube thumbnail generator is a nice touch. You can prompt for specific thumbnail concepts and get something eye-catching quickly, again, leveraging AI image generation, but tailored for thumbnails. Their avatar AI has also seen improvements. The logo generator is more robust now, with various styles like minimal, 3D, gradient, or vintage, and color selection. This makes it genuinely useful for quick branding needs, especially for small projects or startups that need a professional look without a huge budget. A fun one is the emoji generator. You can literally type in any concept, a robot eating pizza, for example, and get a custom emoji. You can even choose between a developer model for top quality or Schnell if speed is your priority. It's a neat way to generate unique little graphics. And for developers, there's an app icon generator. Describe your app, pick a style and color, and it outputs high-res PNG icons ready for the app stores. Super handy for getting those initial assets sorted. The reliable background removal tool is still there. Great for quick edits on product shots or portraits. And an ad generator helps create social media visuals with various output sizes. It all adds to the one-stop shop feel, keeping my image work centralized. What makes using all these different models and tools so manageable is the interface. It's clean, with a dark theme, and everything is logically laid out in the sidebar, image generation, 3D creation, all clearly marked. My workflow for generating images, even when I'm experimenting with different models like Flux for one concept, and then Stable Diffusion for another, is simple. Type prompt, select model and style, maybe tweak a setting or two, and hit generate. My creations are saved in a history, so I can easily find and re-download them. Now, regarding pricing, PhotoGenius AI offers a few tiers. The Creator Plan, good for starting out, offering 100 images monthly, HD quality, and access to all the Stable Diffusion models. Perfect if you're just dipping your toes in. The Pro Plan. This is likely the sweet spot for many content creators, with 300 images a month, 4K quality, access to all Pro AI models, and early feature access. This is the one I find gives the best bang for the buck for serious use, especially when I'm leveraging multiple models. The Business Plan. For heavy users like agencies, offering 1,000 images monthly, up to 8K quality, and bulk generation capabilities. And a quick reminder, you can use my code KING30 to get a 30% discount on any of these plans, which is a pretty sweet deal. For me, the real value of PhotoGenius AI is how it centralizes access to so many different image generation models and creative tools. Instead of my old, fragmented process of bouncing between different websites or complex local setups for each AI model, I can do it all here. The fact that they continuously update and add new features and models means it's an evolving platform that keeps getting more powerful. So, if you're like me and want to leverage the power of multiple AI image models, maybe Flux for its unique style, Stable Diffusion for its versatility, or Kandinsky for specific effects, without the headache of managing them separately, PhotoGenius AI is definitely worth exploring. Whether I need a striking image for a thumbnail, a custom graphic, or even a quick 3D asset, I can usually generate it here efficiently. Honestly, integrating PhotoGenius AI into my workflow has been a huge time saver. The ability to experiment with different AI models for the same prompt, or use one model for a base image, and then another for variations or in-painting, all within one platform, is incredibly convenient. It streamlined how I approach AI image and video creation significantly. Make sure that you check them out through the link in description and give it a try yourself. Please subscribe to the channel and share your thoughts as well. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.